join the clique, the club, the club of Buchymix owners. Buchymix holders. This is my Buchymix juice. Just arrived. The birthday girl has got a Buchymix juicer for her birthday gift. Whoa, this is awesome. So let's. We got the new bro. Buchymix. Our Buchymix juicer is here. We are trying the clubs of Buchymix holders. Oh my god, let's unbox this. Let's unbox this. Where do we start from?
Oh God, you blessed my humble space. A juicer sits in its special place. In my kitchen where love is brewed, your grace has filled my heart renewed. Thank you, Lord, for the gift you gave. A juicer's joy, it makes me brave. Each fruit I press, your love I feel, your blessings flow so pure, so real. Oranges bright, apples so sweet, your creation I'm now complete. Through every sip I taste your care, a kitchen blessed beyond compare. The word and hum of melody, a daily hymn sung just for me. Each blend reminds me of your grace, your love's alive in every space. Thank you, Lord, for the gift you gave. A juicer's joy, it makes me brave. Each fruit I press, your love I feel, your blessings flow so pure, so real. Every drop, your mercy flows. The treasure kitchen, love still grows. Your gifts remind me day by day to trust in you, to kneel and pray. In every drop, your mercy flows. The treasure kitchen, love still grows. Your gifts remind me day by day to trust in you, to kneel and pray. Thank you, Lord, for the gift you gave.